Hello, today we're talking about clutter, food clutter. Do you have food clutter? Look in your refrigerator. How long has that been in there? Remember that fresh food, fresh meat, fresh vegetables, things that are cooked, are going to last about 4 days. Meats especially, about 4 days in the refrigerator. Some things will last a little longer. Pickled things, definitely. Sauerkraut, pickles, olives, things like that. But still look at the expiration dates. Take the time to go through your food and get rid of your food clutter. Another thing is to go through your pantry and see how long have you had these things in here. Are you eating them? If they're still good, put them on your plan to use up this month. If they're no good, you're going to have to get rid of them. If they are foods that you and your family do not enjoy, donate them. Get rid of those things. Get rid of your food clutter and only have what you love to eat and enjoy and will eat and enjoy. That's it for today. Make it a great day.